Let's make the 7-Year Storm from Kraken Rum. As I mentioned before, we are going to shake this drink, and we're going to start by putting half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice into our shaker tin. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. I had a brain freeze there for a moment. Good thing this isn't a frozen drink now. 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. I actually have 2 recipes here on the channel. I'm still trying to decide which one I like better. One's easier to work with, one's tastes better. I'll link those down below if you want to make your own. 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. Splash there, nice. Now we need some passion fruit puree. And I've got this Mazzoni. I've never used it before. See how this works? Oh, look at that. 3/4 of an ounce of this. If I spill it all over my wrist, even if I do spill it over my wrist, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. This may not be the best container for a cocktail, but it's what I got, so it's what we're using. That smells pretty good. And the rum, 2 ounces of your Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Passion fruit syrup or a puree on my wrist has got me a little distracted. And I'm gonna go wash this off real quick. All right, passion fruit puree washed off my wrist. I'm now gonna go crack some ice, crush some ice. I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna use this. Ice cracked, crushed. I'm going to put that into my shaker. Good enough. I'm going to flash shake this. And now I have a choice of glasses. I can try the Hurricane, which is what it looks like on the website that they're using, or I can use a Poco Grande. And I'm gonna use a Poco Grande just because I'm not sure how full this is gonna be. Well, maybe I'll use the Hurricane. Let's use the Hurricane. Because I can always add more crushed ice, right? Right. And I'm gonna open pour that into there. Oh, good choice. I don't even need to crush more ice. Straw and garnish. The official garnish is a pineapple wedge and a cherry, which I have here on a little skewer. I'm gonna drop that right in there. And there you have it, a shaken 7-Year Storm from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.